Okay, in order to draw a quadratic, first of all we need to complete the table of results. Now usually in the exam one or two of these are given to you already. However, with a calculator this can be made a lot easier by using this button, the answer button. Now in order to use this answer button you must first of all type in the first x coordinate, which is -2, so -2, and press equals. That has now placed -2 into that button there. So what I do now is I now type that equation in. However, I'm going to be using the answer button. So I'm going to be typing in the answer button, then the x squared button, and that will give me x squared. Take, so the take button, 4x will be for answer button, and then +3, +3. And then after that, I've got to press the equals button. So that will alter per question, but you can see that that is following that equation there. So I've got answer squared, take 4 answer, +3 equals, and the first one comes out as 15. Now you can type that in each time. However, you don't need to, because this up here, which on the other Casios is a blue button, if I use the upper button here, that will come up every time as long as I don't cancel anything. So this is what I would do. -1's next, so -1 equals. If I press that up arrow, my equation comes back up. If I now press equals, I get the second y coordinate very quickly. I could do the same for 0, but 0 should always be an easy one, because you've got nothing, you've got nothing, you've got 3. It's 3. It's always the number. Let's do it for 1. 1, press equals. Arrow up, brings my equation back up. When I press equals, I get nothing. 2, press equals. Arrow up, got my equation back up, press equals, -1. Repeat the same for 3, 3 equals, arrow up, press equals, nothing. And finally 4 equals, arrow up, press equals, 3. So I've got all the coordinates that I need. So now to the graph paper. First of all, plot each of the coordinates. So at -2, we are all the way up at 15, which is about there. At -1, we're up at 8, which is about there. At nothing, we're up at 3. At 1, we're at nothing. At 2, we're at -1. At 3, we're back to nothing. And at 4, we're up to 3, which is about there. And then finally, we draw a curve that will go through each of those points. And there's the curve for that equation.